students. So today I'm going to show you the one of the best recipe of the Punjabi cuisine. So the name of it, this is a tandoori chicken. So let's start. I will show you the ingredients which are required of making the tandoori chicken. So first we require a chicken. I already cut the chicken. You can see I cut the chicken. And guys, why this cut? Because the flavor get well inside of its pieces. That's why I will cut this type of chicken. And the rest ingredients we are required: hang curd, lemon juice, mustard oil, fresh cream, chaat masala, garam masala, धनिया पाउडर, cumin seed powder, degi red chili powder. So why adding red chili powder is giving the color. And the most important, salt. Without salt we cannot enhance the flavor of this preparation. So the last is ginger garlic paste. I already prepared the ginger garlic paste. The 70% of garlic and the 40% we can use a ginger. So these are the ingredients which are required of making the Punjabi chicken tikka. We will prepare Punjabi style of chicken tikka. So let's start. I will show you the further process. So we require this type of bowl. Now we will take bowl. So I will show you the marination. So first I'm going to add curd. This is the hang curd. The second I'm going to add ginger garlic paste. I already prepared the ginger garlic paste. The next I'm going to add red chili powder. That is a degi red chili. By adding the red chili powder for giving the color. The rest I'm going to add cumin powder. And the next is a chaat masala. Approximate I will add 1 tablespoon. The rest is garam masala. The rest is dhania powder. The last we can add salt as per the taste. Now I'm going to add lemon juice. Then add mustard oil. Then add fresh cream. Then last we will mix well whole mixture. with the helping of spoon. So you can see now our mixture is ready. So now the timing is adding for chicken pieces. We can add chicken pieces. You can see. We will mix well together so that the all flavor get well inside of the pieces. You can see. So well rubbing. So now the all pieces is get well mixed into this mixture, this batter. So now the timing is rest. So now we will keep the ball in a refrigerator at least 30 minutes. So we will keep at least 30 minutes in a refrigerator so that the whole flavor get well side into the chicken. Now so that's up. Now the 30 minutes is complete. Now we will remove the bowl to the refrigerator. That's all. I will show you the next process. Is the road with the helping of oil, the mustard oil. Now I will show you the greasing so that the chicken is non-stick. Now remove the lids. Now you can see the technique of guys, you can see the technique. You can also put the gravy on top of this chicken. So now we will put the chicken pieces into tandoor. They can use in a singly. So today we are having a non tandoor. So today I will roast the chicken with singly. And we will cook the chicken at least when the color is a light brown. So then you take out the chicken into the roll and serve forks. So we will cook till when the color is a light brown outside of the chicken. Then we will remove and serve pot with the helping of with mint sauce as a complement. So we will just wait when the chicken will cook. So just minutes wait. Now the chicken is a proper cook. So now we will remove the chicken. So almost the chicken is cooked. Now the timing is removing. So we will remove the chicken pieces in a bowl. So you can see nice color. Now I will show you the plating. So you can see the after roasting the chicken. Everything is fine cooked. So now I will show you the further in the plates. Now I will put the another pieces. You can serve with mint sauce. So guys, I hope you will understand by watching this video, and you can also try on your home. If you're not having a tandoor, so you can use in gas, you can use an electrical tandoor, and you can try on in your home. So thank you so much guys. I hope you will enjoy for watching this video. So thank you so much again.